It's crazy. My God. That's not a plane. That is wild. Look at it. I can't. That's going way too fast.
As most of you are probably aware, there is a UAP outbreak happening right now on both sides of the Atlantic. And although New Jersey is getting most of the press at the moment, these sightings are taking place across the entire United States and, of course, also in Great Britain and elsewhere. And as you can see, the flight capabilities of whatever these things are can be pretty impressive sometimes. Now, this
People over the weekend have captured multiple videos of what looks like UFOs. This one was seen in San Andreas, California, and at first they said they thought it was a plane or drones until it did this.
Oh, whoa. What is that?
Another was seen in Texas by multiple people as well, where there were 5 strange lights in the sky and what also looked like drones. But the speed that this took off in is unreal.
Oh, what did I just freaking see, dude? What was that?
Many people over the weekend have captured multiple videos of what looks